Good morning, Namaste. This is your realtor, Dinesh Singh, in Dublin, bringing to you the real estate market update for the month of December 2024. This is mid of January, and this report is based on the data that we got for December 2024. As the temperature plummeted in December, it was pretty cold, and I used to really have a hard time getting out for tennis and my workout. The real estate market also went into cold state. The December 2024 was the slowest month in 24 slowest market in 24 months. The number of transactions plummeted, the number of deals that went in contract went down. Some of the attribution could be to the high interest rate because in the last week of December, last full week, which is I think 26 December, the interest rate was 6.85% for 30-year owner occupied. The another reason could be seasonality because many families they get into festivities mode. They postpone their decision to next year in more warmer weather, and some of us head out for vacations, and there is no time to look around to buy and to freeze and buy homes. Moving on, let's get into stats and what numbers speak. That tells how is the market. If you recall from the last edition, the Bay Area traditionally has been a seller's market because the inventory typically has been for lower than 5.5 months. For education, for some of us who joined recently, if the inventory is for more than 6 months, it's considered to be a buyer's market. That means buyers have more leverage. If you look at the bottom left, the inventory level dropped to pretty low status in Dublin, just 0.58 months. It's a significant decline, a month on month. But if I look at the ratio of list to sold price, homes are still going at a premium. It could be that realtors and sellers are putting price a bit lower than the market price, or the home itself, because of its intrinsic value, is commanding a premium. The median days to sell is 19 days. That is for all types of homes, which means condos, townhomes, single family homes, detached homes. But the median days to get in contract is 23 days for single family home. Last month it was 11 days. That means the number of days it takes for a home to sell almost doubled. That indicates lower buyer activities in the market in December. The median sold price is $1.277 million for all types of homes, but for the single family home only, it is $1.335 million. It's not in the slide, but that is the number. There will always be a variability between single family home and the composite price, the blended price for all types of homes. It's a very important metric to look at the health of the real estate market for a city. The median estimated value for Dublin home is $1.458 million, a slight dip in month over month. But if I compare with the last year data, which is December 2023, it's a healthy bump for 4.4%. As I said, housing inventory was pretty low in December. Uh, if I remember correctly, for last 10 to 12 days in December, we had only 5 single family homes that were listed in the market that were available to buy. The bottom section shows a graph that indicates the inventory level month over month for last 15 to 18 months. As you could see, there is a seasonality in the number of homes that are available to buy. As we head into warmer months and in spring and in summer in next few months, I anticipate these this number of homes would spike up significantly. This is a crucial data if you're looking at making an offer for your home purchase, or if you're looking to determine a value at which price you should list your home. Unfortunately, it's a confidential data. We do not have insights into it. What we could tell is the price at which homes were listed. It's a $1.283 million for all types of homes and $1.7 million for single family only. Nine single family homes are in contract in for the duration at which this data was compiled. The median dollar per square feet for all types of home is $689. But if I only look at the single family home, it is $814 per square feet. It has stayed consistent if I compare with the November's data. I think November also was 813 or $814 per square feet for single family home. This is the state of current listing, which is mid January. I'm recording this session. There are total 42 properties to buy, all types of detached home, single family, town home, and condo. The median price per square feet is $656 per square feet. There are 12 single family homes listed. The median days in market is 7, with the slight uptick in the listing price, which is $817 per square feet. Median list price is $1.649 million for single family home. Now the money slide. This data is fine, but what it means if you are in the market to buy a home for your living or for investment. I'm seeing that the pendulum has begun its swing slightly toward sellers, especially in new construction. Builders have begun to pull back on their price discount and upgrades. Many of my clients who bought a home in November or late October, and they want to buy a similar home from the same builder in the same community or the nearby community, and we are not getting the same deal, neither on the pricing or on the upgrade or on the financing terms. It's a matter of time before this trend catches up with the resale home. There could be seasonality involved, that is my guess, and also there is a bit of general consensus that interest rates may head lower. Fannie Mae estimate for 2025 is for interest rate to drop down to around 6.3% for 30-year for somebody who has 740 plus credit score. That would spur a lot of buyer activities in the market. So if you are a buyer, it's a good time to consider pulling the trigger, making a decision, and make the best use of market conditions. If you are a seller, as I indicated in the last few minutes, market is shifting toward a seller's market. That means it's a good time to engage with your realtor, strategize. If you even tentatively plan to list your home this year, it's a good opportunity to talk to your realtor, plan out the timelines. When would you list your home as coming soon to build some interest, generate buzz? When would you list it? Which month? The estimate by realtor.com is for interest rate to hover around 6.25 for much of 2025, at least the second half. That means the market would be healthier, and we will see what the new administration means to the real estate market, primarily to interest rate and to the real estate market. The jury is out. We will see what happens. That's all for this update. this edition. I'm your realtor, Dinesh Singh. Please reach out to me if you have any question or if you want to double click on any aspect, or if you're wondering what is the value of your home. Maybe you are just curious, or maybe you want to take out a HELOC. Feel free to reach out to me. My contact information is given below. Thank you very much for joining me. I'll see you soon for next updates. Thank you.